So with the help of question, we will understand the pairs, that is corresponding angle, co-interior angle and all. I believe you already know that, and if you are having any confusion in the theory part, then we will be discussing that. We will be taking those concepts also uh, with the help of questions only. So let me take the questions. Okay, so the first question says, suppose we are having a line like this. Suppose we are having a line AB, and there is a line CD. And here the point of intersection is O, and here we are having a ray OE. Okay. Now the question says line AB and CD intersect at O. We can see, okay, line AB and CD is intersecting each other at a point O. We can see in the figure itself. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equals to 70 degree and angle BOD is equals to 40 degree, then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Let's understand what exactly the question says. Okay, so here it's written that angle AOC. Where is AOC? Here is AOC. This red angle and angle BOE. This red angle. The sum of these two is 70 degree given over here. Okay, and BOD, this one. This BOD is given as 40 degree. So this is the BOD and this is given as 40 degree. Find angle BOE. Okay, we have to find BOE. Okay, we have to find BOE, this red angle, this one, and reflect COE. COE, this one also we have to find, this one. Okay, so both the question marks we have to find over. Now, any idea what to do over here? How to find BOE? Any idea, Arya? It's written in the question. Let me write the instruction also over here so that it will make sense to you. So in the figure, AB and CD intersect at O, and these are the information, find BOE and reflect COE. What to do over here?
Want AOC plus COE plus BOE equal to 180?
What you say?
Want AOE plus COE, AOC plus COE plus BOC equal to 180?
Yeah, the total will be 180. Then focus on the questions wording. Here it says AB and CD intersect at O. AB and CD intersect at O. Okay. Okay, that means AB and CD is intersecting each other at a point O. Forget about OE for a while.
Oh,
Forget about it.
so AOC will be 40 because they're vertically opposite.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's why I have written the question again. After writing all the information, again I started writing the sentence so that you will focus on that. That okay, A, B, and C, D is intersecting each other. If this in this figure, if that is not clear, you have to draw the figure separately. Only A, B, and C, D, and you have to check. Are you getting something? So yes, you got it. That this will also be 40 degree. Why? Because it's a vertically opposite angle. Okay, is it clear to you also? Who is there? Abdul, is it clear to you also that it will be vertically opposite angle? 40 degree is given over there and we are having 40 degree over here. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's continue. Now, the given condition AOC plus BOE is 70 degrees. So, is it possible to find BOE?
Yes.
Yes, it's possible now because AOC we are saying that AOC is 40 degree by vertically opposite. Okay. So therefore we can say since AOC plus BOE is equals to 70, so we can say 40 degree plus angle BOE is equals to 70. So angle BOE will be
70 degree minus 30.
that is
It will be 70 minus AOC, which will be 70 minus 40, so 30.
30. Yeah. We got BOE as a 30. We have already found one of the part. Now the other part COE also we have to find. What to do to get COE? Tell me.
AOD will also equal to 30, if that helps.
Is it so? No. No. Why no? Let me remove. Is it so? Is it 30?
Hmm.
Only this much red we have got as a 30. So can I say the other total AOD is 30?
No.
No, we can't. Okay. So that's why we can't say that AOD will be 30. The first case, the first part, when I started just drawing the figure, then only you said that this angle, that angle will make a linear pair. That concept will work over here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. So in the very beginning only you said that angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOD all together EOB all together will be 180 degree, yes or no?
Yes.
We know BOE or EOB, we know it is 30. AOC we know. AOC we have found 40 degree vertically opposite. COE we will be able to find from here, yes or no?
Yes, no.
Can we move to the next question? Can we?
Yes.
From here calculation you both will be able to do, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move ahead. Now the next question we are having a straight line xy. We are having mn. this is A, this much is B, this much is C. Okay. Now the question says, let me write the question. So here says line XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equals to 90 degree and A is to B is equals to 2 is to 3, then find C. How to find C? This is 90 given over here. What to do over here? Think about it. What to do over here? No idea.
I found A and B.
Hmm.
So A is to B can be written as A is to B is 2 is to 3. So it's gonna be 2x plus 3x equals to 5x. So
Hmm.
180 by 5x will equal to 36. So um 36 into 2, 72, and 36 into 3 is 108. So I found A and B, but
Hmm.
I don't. So
Okay,
100
so
and
A you have taken as a twice x
yes,
and B as a 3x. And then you have added both of them and you are
yes,
saying that will be 90, right?
yes.
So
No,
5x is equals to 90. X
how
will
it will
be
be 90?
18. So A is 2x, that means 2 into 18, 36, and B is 3 into 18, 54. Perfect. Okay, if you are wondering how I have taken, we have taken A and B as a 2x and 3x. This is how we separate when ratio is given. And why we have taken 90 degree? Because here you can see we are having, here you can see we are having 90. So other part will also be 90 because we are having a straight line. Okay. So linear pair will be there. AX plus BX together will make 90 degree only. Okay. Accordingly, we have got A as a 36 degree and B as a 54 degree. Yes, Arya, it's perfect. Now we have to find C over here. So if we will focus on the again XY and MN intersect at O. XY and MN intersect each other at the point O. Okay. So let's see here. Here we are having B, which we have found as a 54 degree. There we are having everything. Okay. A also and 90 also. So is it possible to find C now? Is it possible? If you
Um,
will focus on this line, and this line. Can we say C will be equals to A plus 90? Okay, not, yeah, this two together will be equal and this one will be equals to this one. Are you getting it?
Yes, mom.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so we can say here, still if you are having the confusion, let me wipe. Okay, you can see. C will be equals to that 90 plus we were having A over here. Okay, C will be equals to that 90 plus A. That's what I am saying. Let's write it. A value we already know. C will be equals to 90 plus A, vertically opposite angle. Getting it?
Yes, mom.
So C is equals to 90. A you have already found 36. When we will add both of them together, we will end up getting C value. Let's take the next question. If we are having a triangle like this, angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ, then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. If this angle and this angle are same, then we have to prove that PQS, this angle and this angle will also be same. How to do so? Any idea? Yes. What to do over here?
I don't know.
Okay. Can we take like on a straight line as T, PR is a ray or ray PR is there. Okay, can you see? Then we can say that angle PRS or maybe Q plus angle PRT together will make 180 degree, yes or no? This red one, this angle and this angle together will be 180 degree, right?
Yes.
Linear pair, this one with this one, linear pair. So that's what we are saying. It will be 180 degree. That is equation number 1. Similarly, for the other one, we will also say that angle PQR plus angle PQS together will make 180 degree. Again, linear pair, we have to write it in a bracket. Okay. Every time we are writing any condition, any equation by ourselves, we have to give the reason also why we are doing so. Okay. Now, we can equate both the equation like from 1 and 2. Both are 180 degree only. From 1 and 2. Equation number 1 also 180, 2 also 180. So we can say that angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equals to angle PQR plus angle PQS, right? Now in the question itself, it is written that PQS and PRT are same. PQS and PRT are same. It is written in the question also itself. So we can say that this PRT is same as PQS only. Okay. Remaining, I am writing as it is. Now this one and this one will get cancelled out because both are same. When you will keep both the angle in one side, you will find that both are cancelling each other and we will end up getting PRQ. Okay, I think by mistake I have taken the reverse case. However, this concept only we have to apply. This is given and this is what we have to prove here. Okay, so here only if you will take the condition which is given, you will end up finding the uh, like angles which we want to get in the proof, right?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you getting it? Are you getting, both of you? Here it is given that angle PQR and angle PRQ same. So PRQ and PQR are same, both will cancel out each other. Okay, and we will end up having, let me cancel it on the above expression. PRQ, PQR both are same and we will end up having angle PRT is equals to angle PQS. That's what we wanted to prove. We are done with the proof. Are you getting it?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
we have done, let me summarize. Okay. We are having a triangle in the inside angle over here and the inside angle over there is equal. We have to prove that the outside angle, the exterior angle over here on the left and the exterior angle on the right, both are also same. So what we are saying, the interior and the exterior angle on the left are making a linear pair. The interior and the exterior angle on the right are making a, both together are making a linear pair. Now, since both are making a linear pair and both are 180-degree, now we can compare equation 1 with equation 2, and after comparing equation 1 and 2 and after substituting the given condition, we are getting angle PRT is equals to angle PQS, and we are done with the proof. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move ahead. Now the next question we are having, there is a straight line AB and there is a ray like this. OC. This is X, this is Y, this much is Z, and this is given as W. Okay. Now we have to, if X plus Y is equals to W plus Z, then prove that AOB is a line. If this, like the sum of X and Y and the sum of W and Z is equal, then we have to show that AOB is a straight line. As you can see, AOB, it's a line. That's what we have to prove over here. What to do over here? Any idea what to do over here? Yes, what to do? can we say if we will take complete revolution, one complete revolution like this, from here to here, the complete revolution, can we say x plus y plus z plus w all together will make 360-degree? Can we?
Yes.
Yes, we can say because we have taken one complete revolution. Now, here in the question it is written that x plus y is equals to w plus z. So instead of x plus y, I am going to write w plus z over here. I am replacing x plus y by w plus z. And the other one also I am writing as it is, w plus z is equals to 360. Now once we will solve it, we will be getting 2w plus 2z is equals to 360. That will give us 2, we can take out common, 2 times w plus z is equals to 360. W plus z is equals to 360 by 2. That means w plus z is 180. If w plus z is 180 over here, if w plus z, this w and this z together are making 180-degree, there is a straight line AB. On that there is a ray like this. Forget about the upside part. Here w is there, here z is there, and the sum of w plus z we have got 180. So we can say AOB is a straight line. Then and only then the linear pair condition is getting validated over here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So here only we can write, hence AOB is a line or a straight line. Okay, here we can write w plus z is equals to 180, which is a linear pair, and hence AOB is a straight line. So what we did, it was given over here as x plus y is equals to w plus z, and then prove that it's a straight, AOB is a straight line. So we know one complete revolution means 360 degrees. So x plus y plus w plus z is equals to 360. Now if you want, you can replace x plus y with w plus z, or you can replace w plus z with x plus y over here. You will end up getting the sum of 2 as a 180-degree. If you have got like this, w plus z is equals to 180, we can say it's a straight line. Even if you have proved that this x and this is y, if you have proved instead of w plus z, if you have proved that x plus y is 180, still we can say then AOB is a straight line. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move ahead. Now the next question, let me draw the figure. P, Q, R, S. Here it's written that POQ is a line. Let me write. What is written in the question, I am just copy pasting that. Okay, POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equals to the difference of half of the difference of angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, so basically here we have to show angle ROS, this angle is equals to half of the difference of angle QOS. As you can see, this is total QOS minus angle POS. Okay, what to do over here? Any idea?
What does it mean by we have to prove ROS equals to half QOS minus POS?
Yeah, what?
I don't understand what we exactly have to prove.
We have to prove, let me take. Here, let's say this angle ROS is X. Okay. QOS, this total. Okay, let's say it is Y. Okay, and POS, let's say this is Z. So we have to prove that X is equals to half of Y minus Z. This is what we have to prove. It looks weird that how exactly we'll be reaching over there, like how to even start that, but whatever concept we are having, accordingly we will start. Okay, so forget about the proof. Whatever we know about the figure and whatever we can write from the given information, let's write that first. Leave.
POQ will equal to 180.
So we can say that POS plus SOR plus ROQ all together are making 180. That we are saying by ourselves, right?
Yes.
Since ROQ is given as a 90-degree, okay, perpendicular means 90 only. Okay, ROQ is given as a 90-degree, so we can say POS plus SOR or ROS is equals to 90, right? This one we can write by ourselves. Yes or no? Right?
Yes.
Okay. Uh, just a second. Let me check how can we reach to the proof. If we are writing angle POS plus angle ROS is equals to 90, and here this and this is equals to 90, and there what can be written if we will write angle ROQ plus
can't we write angle POS plus ROS equals to ROQ?
We can also write angle, uh, here we are having SOQ. Angle SOQ from the total angle, if we will subtract angle ROS, we will get 90 degree. This two condition we can write. The first condition is clear, Arya, and to you also, Abdul. This, if I'm saying the first equation is this one, is it clear to both of you?
Yes.
Okay. The next equation I have written by myself. Just look at it carefully. Okay. I am saying that from this complete angle, from this total angle, if we will subtract only this much, we will get 90 degree. The remaining will be 90 degree. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
I am saying there is an angle like this, which is SOQ. Here, from this angle, from this total angle, if we will subtract this much part, if we will cut down this much part, just remove this much part, then we will get 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's what I am writing, that from angle SOQ, the complete angle, from this complete angle, if I am subtracting only ROS, you can also say it is SOR, but in the question it is ROS written. That's why I am writing it ROS. If we will just cut down that part the way I have cutted it down, then we will end up getting 90 degree. Okay. This is equation number 2. Both are 90 degree. Equation 1 is also 90. Equation 2 is also 90. So let's compare both the equation. So if we will compare equation 1 and equation 2, then we can say that is 90, this is 90. So we can say angle POS plus angle ROS from there must be equals to angle SOQ or QOS, you can say, minus angle ROS over here. Okay. Now let's do the simplification. Here we can see ROS. Here we can see ROS. Let's bring it to in one side. So ROS, this one, and that ROS will be plus ROS over here. Yes or no? Angle SOQ and angle QOS is the same thing, right? SOQ and QOS is the same thing, right?
Yes.
So instead of SOQ, I am going to write QOS. Why? Because I can see in the proof we are having QOS. So let's write it in this way only. Why not? Right?
Yes.
And this POS I am bringing to this side. So minus angle POS. Here 2 times angle ROS is equals to angle QOS minus angle POS. So ROS is equals to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Clear? Let me show you, let me summarize what exactly we have done over here. So this type of weird type of proof we have to do over here. Okay. Now we are not worried about the proof. Okay, first thing first, we are writing whatever like we can write over here. So if one of the angle over there is 90, then we can say the other two sum of like a plus b. We have done one question like this one where we have written a plus b is equals to 90. So here also we can say the sum of this angle and this angle will also be 90 because the other one is 90. By linear pair we have got this. Okay, this is equation number 1. Now in the proof part, now if we will just focus on the proof part, here we can see angle QOS is also there, angle, the complete angle is also there. So we are trying to make one equation where the other side will be 90. So we can say the complete angle minus this much part will be 90. Okay, and when we are comparing both the equation, then we are getting the required proof. Is it clear to both of you?
Yes.
Let's move ahead. Okay, let me write the question. It is given that angle XYZ is equals to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. We have to draw the figure by ourselves. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. Let's draw the figure and let's see what exactly the question says. Okay. Here the figure is not given. In the question where the figure is given, that question comparatively we will be able to do that part, that type of question, like by giving lesser time, because the figure is there, and that will be quite easier than this type of question. Okay. So here the main thing is constructing the figure. If we will be done with that, we will be able to solve it. So it is given that angle XYZ is angle X, Y, Z. Maybe the angle looks like this, and that is 64 degree. And XY is produced to a point P. Produced to a point P means extended. XY is extended to a point P. XY is extended to till which point? Till point P. Okay. If a ray YQ bisect ZYP. So ZYP, this ZYP angle is getting bisected. This angle and this angle is same. Okay, it is getting bisected. That's the meaning of bisect. We have to find angle XY. YQ ray is there. We have to find angle XYQ, the complete angle. Okay, you can see we have to find this angle XYQ. 64 we know. If we will be able to find this one, we will be able to say what exactly is the total XYQ. And we also have to find QYP, the other one. Okay, this one. Any idea how to do that? It's easy. Okay, it's very simple. Tell me what to do over here. If you will focus, yeah, first tell me, then we will be trying together.